Strongly bullish USAR closed the session of Friday, the 3rd of October 2025, with a gain of 17.88% and also printed an intraday high of $28.25. Yeah, underlying trend strongly bullish or bullish. Yeah, well, strongly bullish. The stock has been on an expansion since Tuesday, the 16th of September, and took it to a high gear from Wednesday, the 1st of October.
USAR is trending as discussions heat up around potential White House talks and government funding tied to rare earth minerals. Speculation is building that the company could be positioned to benefit from a broader push by the Trump administration to secure domestic supply chains and reduce U.S. dependence on China for critical materials. Some investors are highlighting how this aligns with ongoing national security priorities, particularly as rare earths are essential for defense, renewable energy, and advanced technology applications. On the trading side, excitement is fueled by USAR's recent breakout move, with community members closely watching volume spikes, technical levels, and elevated short interest that could set the stage for a squeeze. Momentum across the rare earth sector is also providing tailwinds, as geopolitical tensions and government policy remain catalysts. Still, not everyone is convinced. Skeptics point out the speculative nature of the chatter, noting that no official deal or funding confirmation has been announced. They warn that hype driven rallies can quickly reverse if expectations are not met. Despite the caution, the prevailing sentiment leans bullish, with many traders seeing USAR as a potential beneficiary of a growing narrative around critical mineral independence.
Okay, so the extrapolation of its 3-day moving average is saying that higher prices will remain in place up till Tuesday, the 7th of October. Then after that, we might go into a prolonged contraction going all the way towards the end of October. There's absolutely no guarantee that this will be the case at all. There's no guarantee at all. And then after that, from the 30th of October, the uptrend may resume. Projections are saying 10.70 down projection, 12.01, 14.13, all of them down projections. Bear in mind, we have this intraday high of 28.25. It is not a projection, but it is a resistance. So the projections are equally resistances, but they are calculated. This one was determined by price action, so it is a valid resistance. It's a valid resistance has actually happened. So we are taking that as well, even though there's nothing currently calculated based on our algos right now. However, previously, as of the 29th of August, there were some upper projections, 27.92 below that, 25.85. They're not that's not currently not an upper projection. As actually, a matter of fact, 26.77 is, yeah. So $25 is anything. $25 is a downward projection as things stand right now. Yeah. So uh, let's see. Okay, we'll look for more upper projections. Okay, so price pressure momentums, as you can easily imagine, the stock is trading at a premium to all of its moving averages. So all of them will be trending, but they're also signaling that selling is going on. People are, you know, shorting the stock, trying to take profits. Yeah, profit taking will be going on right now. Surely it will be taken on to be going on. So this price pressure momentums are indicating that as well. So it is also something you need to bear in mind as well. Okay, let's before we go to the 4-hour chart, let's come down to the weekly chart to see. Okay, here no upper projections, nothing like that. The trend is to the upside, even though it doesn't have it doesn't have it hasn't been listed for up to 200 weeks. So we can just say the short term trend, the medium term trend is a bullish one. Yeah. I think we have down here a downward projection. Yeah, we have a downward projection. It's good to point it out. $0.26. $0.26. Above that, $3, and then 7.68. Then going on to 17.32, 20.88, 23.008. Coming back to the 4 hour chart, let's see what we have. Okay, the extrapolation is saying that the bounce it had just before the market closed is going to remain in place up till Monday, the 6th of October. Then it might consolidate that, and then there won't be any bounce. It will now go into a contraction mode, and that may remain in place up till Tuesday, the 14th of October. It's looking like it's aligning with what we saw on the yeah, it's looking like it's aligning with what we saw on the daily chart. Fingers crossed. Let's just see. Or well, I wouldn't say that would not be a very good situation, right? Okay, but we want higher prices. You probably want higher prices. So, like I said earlier on, there's absolutely no guarantee that this is what's going to happen. There's those extrapolations, and indeed the one you have here on this 4 hour chart are pointing to several hours ahead of time, hours, several days ahead of time. Between now and then, a lot can happen. So we can't really rely on them. However, the price pressure momentums, they should be all amplified, solidly trending so many times above trend mode. Nothing here negative at all. The derivatives are all robust, but in the midst of all of that, selling is going on. You can see here, I got a rejection and trying to bounce as well. You can see this rejection at 28.25. So in the midst of all of this, selling is equally going on. So yeah, just get in there and see what you make of USAR. And thank you very much for watching this video.